And what do we have here? Look at all these seagulls, or seabirds, or not sure what kind of birds they are. I don't think they're seagulls. You know what this reminds me of? That one little Pixar short. I forgot which movie it was for. It might have been for Finding Dory. Yeah, where there were all these, like, there's this little bird who was trying to swim or fly. I don't remember. But yeah, that's a lot of them. Birds for days. Oh no, that's a seagull for sure. And the thing about these birds, they're so respectful. You just walk right through them and they move out of the way for you. They don't attack you. They don't fly away. They don't cause an alarm. Very respectful. I mean, we may be scared of them, but I mean, they'd be scared of us. The cool thing about them, a lot of them got nice hairdos. There's some more up there too, though it's kind of hard to see with the sun.